Hi everybody and welcome back to Food for Fun. I'm Justine and today in the kitchen I'm going to be having a guest joining me shortly, but today our recipe is a caprese salad. You say, what is a caprese salad? And salad, oh my god, but this is just using really super simple fresh ingredients. We have mozzarella cheese, we have some spinach, some fresh herbs of basil, salt and pepper, and tomatoes. So we're going to put all that together and make a beautiful looking salad. So before we start, I'm just going to bring Candace in to join me. So come on in, Candace. Welcome back. It's nice to have you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
You're looking really good. I love your shirt. What does it say?
Shine bright.
Cool. So while Candace is cutting these tomatoes, and she's doing a beautiful job, Candace, I am going to put some of this spinach that we've got here onto our platter. So you can make this as an individual salad, or we're going to make it as a group platter today so that everybody can share. So I've got some spinach here. You can use different kinds of lettuce. Often spring greens are a good thing to use. Today we're going to work on our muscles, right, Candace? We got spinach. Are we going to invite Popeye for lunch?
Yeah, this if I invite Popeye.
Okay, do you have his number? Okay, so we have our spinach all beautifully laid out here. Candace, you've done a great job with the tomatoes. I think you can take a rest from those. They're looking really good, so we've got those ready to go. So our next step is we're going to put on some cheese. We've got some mozzarella cheese here that I've just sliced up. You can rip it apart, you can just slice it. So what we're gonna do is just pop this all over our platter. You can make a pretty pattern, you can just put it on. There we go, you wanna put some just around the sides. This side's getting a bit lonely. There you go. So I'm just gonna pop on some more tomatoes. We've got some of these nice, big, juicy, ripe, fine tomatoes. So I'm just gonna pop those on too, just to give it a little bit more color and a little bit of texture. Then you're gonna get the spinach, the cheese, the tomatoes. Is your mouth watering, Candace?
Yeah.
So our platter's looking really pretty. What we're gonna do now is I've got some fresh basil. I love the smell of basil. You can't smell it at home, but if you go and grab some, maybe you've got some growing in your garden, you just wanna break it into little pieces. That's sticking to my gloves there. And just pop it on. Okay, so next we're going to drizzle some of the balsamic vinegar. So once again, be careful, you don't want it to all pour out at once. So this one's just a balsamic aged vinegar. So what I'm going to do now is I've got some olive oil. You want to be careful that it doesn't come out too quick. Sometimes just putting a finger over it is just good to make sure that it doesn't come out too fast. And all we need to do now is just season this with a little salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna put some of this on. This is just salt. It's often good to put it on the tomatoes because it brings out that juicy moisture from the tomatoes. There we go. And anybody that likes more can season it as they eat because you don't want to put too much on. There we go. And we put a bit of pepper on. And there's our salad. How does that look, guys?